Hello guys, welcome to the Heart of Learning Minds. Now we are going to have a simple look on what is HTML, CSS and JS, which are the building blocks of web page, to understand what they are exactly and how they are related. But in general, there are types of languages existed in this computer world. Among them, JS is a programming language and HTML is a markup language and CSS is a style sheet language. But what they are exactly, what is HTML, what is CSS and JS? In generally, whatever you do in life, you have to build the skeleton first. You have to build the root first and then you go step by step further. For example, you want to build a house. What exactly you do first? You will prepare the basement first and then you will build the house and then you will paint it and then you will attach all other working stuff like fan or maybe lights or any cooler or TV, etc, etc, etc. In the same way, we use HTML, CSS and JS to build web pages. The HTML will define the root, the content of the web page, the skeleton of the web page. Whereas CSS beautifies it. It means that it will paint it to look good, like we paint the house. But what about the working lights, fan, cooler, etc, etc, what about them? That's where JavaScript comes in, which creates life to your web page. So with this JavaScript, you will make the website interactive. Let us have a practical example to understand this. First, suppose let us build a simple calculator with HTML, CSS and JS. First, let us have the basement first, the skeleton of the page, like buttons or maybe we can say the outline, the input, the arithmetic operations, etc, etc. And this is the skeleton of the page. And this is how it looks like. We have buttons. We have all the buttons like to do arithmetic things, the addition, subtraction, division, etc. And I'm not explaining the code currently because we are purely focusing on understanding what is what, okay, instead of giving a tutorial. Now the skeleton is completed. What we need to do is we need to beautify it to make it good looking. So what we'll do is I'll attach the CSS to it. Now if I attach the CSS, this is how it looks like. This is how the CSS made it to look stunning. You're understanding, right? The purpose of the CSS is to beautify the content of the web page. And now we styled it, but the buttons are not working. The calculator is not working. What is the use? Now what? We need to create life to that calculator. And how are we going to do that? We need to attach JS to it. Now I'm going to attach JS. This is what just happens. See carefully. 7 plus 5. 12, of course it will do. And let's clear this. Let's do some division maybe. 4 divided by 2. 2. That's it. 8 divided by 2. 4. Now it has a life, a purpose, the calculator, right? So this is how the HTML, CSS and JS combine to build a live website which has a specific purpose. And that's it. This is what HTML, CSS and JS.